Have you ever wondered, are there property tax exemptions of some kind that I can use here in Fresno County? Stay tuned. We're going to talk about that next. Hi there, this is Mike Bustamante with Keller Williams Realty here in Fresno. If you're a home seller and want information on what you should do or think about, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned because I put out new videos every week. Today, I'm going to talk to you about property tax exemptions that are here in Fresno County. Now, every county is different, so you need to contact your county to see what exemptions are there for you to use. Now, before we get started, I need to make a disclaimer. I am not giving you tax advice. I am not giving you any legal advice. You need to contact the professionals you have hired for that area of expertise. Now, for those in Fresno County, down below this video, I will have the link to that page of exemptions so you can read and get more information and more acquainted of what we're going to be talking about today. The first exemption we're going to talk about today is the homeowners exemption. Now, this has to be on the property that you are currently residing in. Now, there are some qualifications you're going to have to meet. Go to the website to see exactly what those are. Now, if you do qualify, it will lower your property taxes annually. They may not be by much. It could be a little bit, but every little bit counts. You really need to look into this one. The second exemption is the disabled veterans exemption. This can cover the disabled veteran or the unmarried surviving spouse of a veteran. There are guidelines and things that have to be met, so please look into this one to see what you can save. The third exemption is a church exemption. Now, it is designed for property that is owned, leased, or rented by a religious organization. The fourth exemption is religious exemption. These are for religious organizations that own property that use it exclusively for religious services or related services. Number 5 is the welfare exemption. Now, this exemption is available only to property that is real or personal and is owned by a religious, a charitable, a hospital, or a scientific organization. And it is used exclusively for religious, charitable, hospital, and scientific purposes. Naturally, you have to qualify for these. The sixth exemption is the low-income housing exemption. The California Revenue and Tax Code provides that property owned by a nonprofit organization or an eligible limited liability company providing housing for low-income households can qualify for the welfare exemption. Now, if any of these exemptions sound interesting to you or something you may qualify for, again, there's a link down below to click on and you can get further information on these exemptions in Fresno County. I have also put a link down below for you if you want to get a free seller home guide. Just go ahead, click on it, download it, look it over, call me if you got any questions. And as always, subscribe to my channel. I put out videos weekly. And this is Mike Bustamante, Keller Williams Realty here in Fresno, California.